Hello friends, today we are going to see one pocket knife. I have ordered this from the Amazon.in. It is very popular on Amazon.in. It is a foldable knife and I have ordered it via Amazon Prime. So I have ordered it on 31st October and got the delivery today, means 4th of November. So now let's unbox it. So here is the knife itself. You can see its name is Think Funky Foldable Pocket Knife and the price is $249. Now let's open it. So here you can see the knife itself. So as you can see here, this knife is very compact and very small. You can put this in your pocket and can go anywhere with this knife. So for using this knife, what we have to do is just unlock this key like this, just flipping this key. So we have unlocked. Now just fold this knife by like this. Okay, so for using this knife we have to lock it because it is not stable, you can see. So before that, just fold these two sides for this using this knife and press these two sides one and up. So you can see here our knife is ready to use. So they say this knife is very sharp. Let's check. So this is the cardboard in which we get the delivery of this knife. So let's test it by cutting it. So as you can see here, it easily cuts the cardboard. And for these tapes, you can also cut these tapes. This knife is very useful, and as it is very compact, you can take it anywhere in your pocket. You can see here, and it is as it cut almost any surface, so you cannot have to carry all the big knives and all the scissors. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Like it, share it and comment to my video, and subscribe to my channel for next interesting video. Thank you.